Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So today guys, we are painting my bedroom suit. I'm changing it from brown to white. So firstly, what we're gonna do, as you can see, I'm taking out the handles. I will be painting them gold. I did try to put them as they are, but it just was not making sense, and I would have wished to buy new door handles, but yeah, the budget was just not having it. So we'll start by using this sandpaper. So according to my understanding, guys, I am not a professional painter. I just happen to want to change my furniture, which I feel like it's more reasonable, more cheaper than going to the shop to buy a new furniture. Yeah, I'll be doing a lot of this in my house because this is what I can afford at the moment. It's just to upgrade whatever furniture that I have. Hence I've mentioned always that this is also like a DIY. I love doing DIYs. So we'll start by this undercoat. After finished sanding it, I actually wipe it with thinners. Now we'll start with the undercoat, then we'll come with this chalk paint, and the last will be the sealer. Yes, this three that is needed for this job. That's what I was told. Then I'll be using these two brushes. Yeah, I'm not sure what's the name of the red one. Yeah, but I got an idea from YouTube that it's best when you're working with chalk paint to use that brush. Yeah, I must say it just goes so smoothly, and yeah, it does the job. Yeah, so here we are starting right now. We would start with our undercoat, which I decided to do it 2 times. Undercoat, you must paint one thin layer, and then the other main paint, which is chalk paint, you can do it 2 times depending on if you can still see the previous color. Obviously you can do it 2 times or 3 times, but this one, it's supposed to be a thin layer, but I opted to do 2 layers, and the reason for that is that I didn't want to go back to the shop to buy more chalk paint. For the whole set I used 2 tins of chalk paint. So let me just quickly explain again. Yeah, firstly, what I did, I sanded my bedroom suit, right? And then the second, once I've sanded it, I wiped with just a damp cloth, because sanding it down, it was just too much dust. Then I wiped it with a wet cloth. Then I came with the thinners, wipe it all over nicely with the thinners. Then undercoats. Then I came with the chalk paint, which I painted it 2 times. Then the last one was the sealer. They say the sealer, it's very important to paint at the end with the sealer, as it prevents the paint from coming out in a long run. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm loving the outcome. I love how it looks, but the final look is not this. I'm still gonna add the glass on top of the dressing table and the pedestals. I will be adding maybe mirrors, I'm not sure, but all that you will see in my last video, where I'm just going to be showing the transformation that I've done in my room, which I'm very proud of myself because I've done everything by myself. I didn't go buy a thing apart from extra deco things, but the rest, like I painted the room, and what else, the headboard, you've seen the video of that, the ottoman, you've seen the video of that also. Yeah, everything, like I transform it by doing everything by myself, which I have saved a lot of money. Obviously, if I could afford at this moment, I would have loved to go buy a new bedroom suit that is like this 2022 style, but you know what, we do with what we have. the second layer of the chalk paint. I hope this video will be so helpful for you if you are planning on maybe painting your furniture or upgrading your furniture. Here I'm doing the sealer now. This is the sealer. You'll see the difference where there's no sealer and where there is a sealer. Last thing, guys, I would really like to apologize for not showing the before. This is a Mommy Life channel, right, guys? That's why I specifically said it's a Mommy Life channel. As much as I can share everything that I do, but I want you must keep in mind that I get so distracted with my Mommy Life duties that sometimes I forget to show the before picture. So if you have noticed, as if you've been my subscriber from the beginning, you will know that I hardly show the before. I really hardly show the before. It's because everything that I do, I'm usually just in a moment and I want to do this, and then some other things I don't even plan on doing content, guys, but I just said, okay, I just think while I'm doing that, I mean, this is a good content. Let me create content with this. Then I take the phone and I record, guys. That's how I get to create my content, really. It's not something that is out of my life, my lifestyle. So that's why it's kind of like come easy. I just share my life, my mommy struggles, and my things that I do, guys. Yeah, that's this channel is all about that. Yeah, this is the before that I screenshot from the video. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next upload.